Hi friends! Today, we're going to draw a super cute and fun character, Bubbles from the Powerpuff Girls. Let's get started. First, let's draw Bubbles' signature pigtail like this. Then we draw her big round head, just like this. Now draw the other pigtail on the other side. Add a bit more hair on top right here. Now let's draw her face details, starting with the big eyes. Then add a sweet smiling mouth. Great job! Let's continue. Draw one arm here, and then her body like this. Follow along with the video, friends. Next, draw Bubbles' two legs. Pull the lines down like this. Now add the shapes for her shoes and the pattern on her dress. Yay! Our Bubbles drawing is done. You did an amazing job, friends! Now let's trace the lines to make the drawing bold and clear. Next, let's color Bubbles. First, use black for the pattern on her dress, then her shoes and part of her here. Great work! Now color more of her eye with blue and also her dress. Use a soft putty color for Bubbles' skin, just like this. And finally, color her iconic yellow hair. Wow, you are amazing! Our drawing of Bubbles from the Powerpuff Girls is all done. Thank you for drawing with us today. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this channel so you won't miss our next fun drawing videos. See you next time. Bye-bye.